Hey guys, welcome to your third set of notes for your biochemistry unit. Please find this worksheet and fill it in as we go through the notes. Make sure you get all the information because you're going to use this page to answer quiz questions at the end of this presentation. So, enzymes. Enzymes are very important for chemical reactions. There are two general parts of every reaction. The reactants, which is the chemicals that participate in the chemical reaction, and the products, the substances that are formed as a result of the chemical reaction. What I need you to do in the box on your notes is you need to label your reactants, label your products, and draw me an arrow in between, showing that you know what your reactants are and what your products are. Next, let's answer the question, what are enzymes? Enzymes are proteins that speed up the rate of a chemical reaction. Enzymes speed up the reaction by decreasing the activation energy. The activation energy is the energy the chemicals need to begin the reaction. So if you look at our picture down here of our frogs, it's like lowering the wall. So in the first picture on the left labeled without enzyme, it has a higher barrier. So it's harder for the frogs to jump over. But as you add your enzyme or decrease that wall, more frogs are able to get over to the other side and produce more products. So enzymes are very, very particular, and only certain substrates can match up with certain enzymes, and this is called a lock and key model. The substance of an enzyme is a molecule that attaches to the active site of the enzyme. Enzymes and substrates are specific to each other, like locks and keys. Once the substrate-enzyme bonds, it becomes an enzyme-substrate complex. The enzyme-substrate complex, once you've created it, you've created something complex. And the enzyme changes its shape slightly to create a more secure bond, and then the chemical reaction follows. The active site is simply where the substrate bonds to the enzyme. After the chemical reaction, a product formed, or the former substrate, is released from the enzyme. The enzyme is free to carry out the same chemical reaction again and again, because enzymes can be reused. In the box below on your page, please make sure to copy this image at the bottom of the slide, including all labels. Finally, let's discuss factors that affect enzymes. There are two factors that affect enzyme productivity, and they are pH and temperature. Enzymes thrive best within certain temperature and pH ranges. If the environment is altered, the enzyme activity may decrease. For example, people die of fevers not because of high temperatures, because the enzymes in their body cannot function properly once your temperature gets too high. And that marks the end of our enzyme notes. Please make sure that you finished every single blank in these notes. Once you've completed that, please move forward to the quiz at the end. Thank you.